Hello everyone. Today's recipe is for chicken tikka masala. Last time I showed you how to make beef tikka masala, and this is chicken. So I have here boneless cubes of chicken, about 2 pounds. You can use whole chicken and get it cut into small pieces for this recipe. I also have 1 cup of yogurt and a half cup of oil and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Also here I have my spices, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half or 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, and a tablespoon of garam masala. Also I have a tablespoon of black pepper crushed, and then here I have 1/4 cup of fried onion. This is just for the flavor, and I'm gonna mix all my ingredients into the same pot that I'll be cooking this curry in, and I'll let it marinate for about half an hour. I don't marinate it for longer than that because it should taste fine. It's all boneless, so I'm just gonna cover and marinate for about half an hour. You can marinate it the night before you cook it, but because I usually do it on the spot, I just marinate and let it cook. So here I started cooking on a very high heat here on the stove, and you can see the oil's already starting to like separate from the gravy and the meat, but it's not cooked yet. The chicken is not done at all. It's only been there for a minute or two, but I will cover and I'll put the heat to a low, very low medium, and just let it sit there for next 10 minutes. So as you can see, after 10 minutes, the chicken is starting to look cooked and the gravy is becoming more thicker. So this is a very quick recipe, so it should be done within the next 10 minutes. And while I was waiting, I cut up some onion rings and some coriander just to garnish the masala. And here my chicken tikka masala is ready after another 10 minutes, and it looks like it's a lot of oil. I only have half a cup for about 2 pounds of chicken, and because I like having it with rice, I like the gravy. You can also have it with naan. And there I'm just gonna garnish with the onion and the coriander and cover and like simmer for another 2 minutes or so. But it's ready and very quick. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.